Hi guys, it's Tony. I'm doing an unboxing of this Parkside Twin 30 LED light. I bought this from Liddell. So, this comes with a tripod with it as well, which you can see. Right. So that's the base. These are the twin lights. So that's the stand. You just see it like that. So the distractions. So feeling that it feels quite strong, especially the tripod itself. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try and assemble this. We'll bring it back a bit. It's got a 3-year warranty with it as well, so that's good. So now, this is the grab handle. So that's basically what that should look like. So I'm just going to go on this. Or you can put it alternatively on the stand. So what I'll do is I'm going to play around with this. I'll be back in a bit.